Heyo! Today we are exploring Pico Alto, an intermediate hike located in Santa Maria, one of the 9 islands in the Azores. This is a 4.24 mile hike, including some of the vista stop-offs along the way, with about 1,000 feet of elevation gain, taking around 2 to 2.5 hours to complete. All Trails recommends going counterclockwise, but I'm going to go clockwise because the elevation profile looks a little better to me. Along the way, you'll have some challenging climbs that will make you work, but the lush trees, the birds, the ferns, and the views make this hike well worth it. Trail marker saying not that way, this way. Oh, I think that's where we're staying. Well, we may have reached an impasse. We'll see if it gets sketch up ahead. This may be a shorter hike. We'll see how this goes. It seems alright so far. Also, that barrier back there, I think that would have been because you're supposed to go counterclockwise. And so that would have been towards the end, but we'll see. One thing we noticed right away when we got here was so many birds. I don't know if it's picking up on the mic, but lots of different bird calls. So if you're a birder, this is the place for you. I like to think I've still got my Kings Canyon legs working for me. It's already been a couple weeks out. We'll find out when we start climbing. And left turn. Right turn. It's not too bad. Having a lighter day pack makes all the difference. Oh, we got some tree fall. Ooh, yeah. Demolished. This is kind of cool. Not sure if these are mosquitoes or what. Bike path. Hidden in plain sight. Left turn. Oh, but mira duro. Check out that view. Side. Almost back to the car park. This section's been kind of cool because riding on this ridge, so you get views from each side, and the drop off isn't too bad. There's a bunch of bush, so in a worst case scenario we'd be okay. But yeah, so far it's been pretty good. Still warm. We're in the early afternoon, but making progress. Also, look at this. They've got rogue, they look like strawberries. I've been seeing these on the trail. They could be something else though. I'll have to ask around. Yeah, look at this. Another one. Oh, I see road. Oh yeah. One more stop. Well, that does it for Pico Alto. Definitely check it out if you find yourself in Santa Maria. Get outside and take a hike.